Here are 9 ways that you can exit Vim. We're going to go ahead and create a test file. We're not going to make any changes to it, and we're going to press colon and then Q. And what this is going to do is it's going to quit as long as we don't have any changes to our file. Now I'm going to show you the second way where you can quit and you can throw away any changes. So if we, for example, go into insert mode by pressing I and type hello, and then we press escape to get out of insert mode, and we do the same thing we did before, colon Q, and press enter, it's not going to allow us to do that because we've made changes to the file. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to press colon Q and then exclamation, and this is going to quit and exit Vim, and it's going to throw away all the changes we've made to the file. And if we type ls, you can see we have no files in the project because we just quit and we also force quit. Now I'm going to show you how you can save and quit. So we're going to do vim test again. I'm going to press I to go into insert mode. We're going to type hello, and then we're going to press escape, and then we're going to go ahead and press colon and then WQ. What this means is write quit. It's basically means save. And we're going to go ahead and press enter. Now if we do ls again, now we have our file, and if we look at the content in our file, you can see it says hello. Now we're going to make another change to the file. We're going to press insert mode, and then we're just going to add some O's here. And this command I'm going to show you also saves and quits. It's like this command, but it's a little different because it's shorter. It does the same exact thing. So colon X is the same as colon WQ, and we're going to go ahead and press enter. And now if we look at our file again, you can see it's saved our changes. Now I'm going to show you how you can save and quit a file the third way without pressing colon, because some people don't like to press colon. So you can press shift and then ZZ. And now I'm going to show you how you can quit without saving without any colon. So we're going to go ahead and add on to this file. So I'm going to press O, which is going to allow me to go to the next line and just type in hello world, and then press escape to get out of insert mode. And I'm going to press shift Z Q. And now if we go ahead and look at our file, you can see it did not save our changes. So if you don't want to use colon and you want to save and quit, it's shift ZZ. And if you want to quit without saving, without using colon, it's shift ZQ. Now I'm going to show you how you can exit multiple files if you're working with multiple files. So we can do vim, and then we already have this file test, and we can create another file test2 that we can edit in vim. And we're going to go ahead and press enter, and we're going to go ahead and type QA, and this is going to quit all the files. And if you can see here, if we don't add A and we just do colon Q, it says one more file to edit. So if you're working with multiple files and you want to quit all of them, then you can do QA. Now, if we want to quit all and we want to discard the changes, for example, if we add on to this file, hello world, and we go back here and press colon, and we try the QA, it's not going to work because we made a change to this file. But if we want to quit all the files and discard all the changes, then we can do QA after the colon and then exclamation mark and press enter. Now if we look at that test file we edited, you can see it didn't save the changes. Now if we want to edit multiple files, quit all the files, and save all the new changes, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So we're going to go ahead and add on to this file again. However, this time we're going to do colon WQA, write quit all, which basically means save all, press enter. Now if we look at this, you can see we have hello and hello world. And that is 9 different ways you can exit Vim. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And make sure to check out Host.Promo if you want to find the best web hosting promotions and free trials.